roots of quadratic equation program in C language. So we can write a program in different methods, and of course we always select the simplest one. So here I am giving roots of quadratic equation without using functions and using functions. Look at this first method. So look at the program and look at the declaration part. We have variables a, b, c, d and root 1 and root 2. What are the input variables here? A, b, c. You need to calculate d. D is b square minus 4ac. So there are three conditions: d greater than 0, d less than 0 and d is equal to 0. Look at the first condition. If d greater than 0 and your root 1 is minus b plus square root of d by 2a and root 2 is minus b minus square root of d by 2a, and we need to print root 1 and root 2. If d is 0, roots are real and equal. Look at the comments, double slash. So root 1 root 2 is equal to minus b by 2a. Else means if d is not greater than 0 and d is not equal to 0 means d less than 0. In this case it is imaginary roots. You can simply put printf imaginary roots, or you can make a change here. Look at that thing. So you can write in different ways. So look at this method, your method 2. Look at the variables. We can have a valid variable name. So read the values of a, b, c. If a is 0 or b is 0 or c is 0, roots cannot be determined. So these type of conditions, whether to put or not, depends on the things. So you can write in the earlier model we didn't use this condition, so you can use these type of notations also. So d is calculated, d is discriminant here, b square minus 4ac. If d less than 0, imaginary roots. Look at the thing, how imaginary roots are calculated. Real is equal to minus b by 2a and imaginary is the square root of abs of discriminant by 2a. So if d is 0, roots are real and equal and both are minus b by 2a. If d greater than 0, so one is minus b plus and another one is minus b minus. No confusion regarding variable names. The variable name must be a valid variable name. We can use capital letters also. So we can write any program in different methods. So look at this, your third program, roots of quadratic equation using functions. So look at that function declarations. We have three functions here: unequal, imaginary and equal. So no confusion regarding function declarations. Based on your requirement we use the parameters. So here we have three declarations. So d is b square minus 4ac. If d greater than 0, the function unequal is called. Unequal of d comma a comma b is a function call. If d less than 0, imaginary is called. If d is 0, equal is called. So you need to identify the difference between function declaration, function definition and function call. Those who are having problem with functions, you need to check it out once. So in unequal we need to pass d, a, b. In case of equal we need to pass only ab because the roots are equal and real and equal, minus b by 2a. We'll see the function definitions now. Look at that first function definition, unequal. So R1 is minus b plus square root of d by 2a and R2 is minus b minus square root of d by 2a. and in imaginary we just displayed roots are imaginary. We didn't calculate any imaginary roots. So look at the third definition, void equal. So both are real and equal. Minus b by 2a. R1 is minus b by 2a and R2 is also minus b by 2a. So I am just giving another method. People will do write in different methods. So we have a function definition here. Void, what is the name of the function? Find roots. Inside there are some conditions. If a is 0, then the equation is not quadratic equation, it's a linear, so invalid, and d is calculated. If d greater than 0, so roots are real and different, unequal. If d is 0, roots are real and equal, and if d less than 0, they are complex. Look at this program clearly. All the conditions, d greater than 0, d equal to 0, and everything is inside the function definition. Look at the main program. Here the function definition is outside the main. Function definition can be inside the main or can be outside the main. So find roots of a comma b comma c semicolon is your function call, and we assigned a b c with some values. So as I told you, program you can write in different ways, and in this program there is no function declaration. Based on your compiler, you can avoid function declaration.